question is, can they bring the Heat, force a Game 3, and keep their dream alive? Or what do you think, Anton and Coach Hammer?
They have been here before, 2 seasons ago against Netran. Will Gozum and company stepped up big time to force a deciding game number 3 against the eventual champion Netran Knights. As we see this champ moment of the game brought to you by Milo. Get winning energy every day with Milo. And there he is, the MVP, Alan Liwag. And there is fire in the eyes today of Tony Inon.
Oh, yeah.
Shanko gets it down low to Sanchez.
Oh, they like this matchup.
Sanchez gives it to Liwag. Liwag, power move.
Masyadong manipis yung depensa sa loob. Pagka si Allen Liwag, he gets it. Those paint touches, ang laking bagay yun for Allen.
Ancheta transferring Benilde for this purpose to try to win a championship. And he's free for 3. In and out. Liwag, another rebound and a putback.
And that's what makes Allen Liwag go crashing the boards din. Offensive rebound and finishing in contact.
Torres. Inside pass to Liwag. Liwag with a basket.
Di ka na
Humihingi
pwede
pa ng foul.
Di ka na pwede humingi ng foul ngayon. Masahe na yan kung masahe. Di ka na pwede umiyak ngayon, pre, pag nasa ilalim ka. Which he has been doing the whole season. Kailangan buhatin na niya ng buhatin yung mga bantay. Pero, kung ikaw naman yung binil, nakikita mo, tiki-tack foul, tatawagan sa nagbababa ng bola, meron ka rin talagang point to contest yung contact. Ito, screen and roll action, sinasabi ni Allen Liwag na yung mga hampas sa braso, pero doon, clearly, good challenge.
With 5 seconds left to give Mapua their last championship.